Citius, Altius, Fortius. Faster, higher, stronger. To be the best is the Olympic motto that encapsulates the aspirations of every sports person.
I am Raghunath VR. I have joined Indian Oil on 2006. I am Indian hockey player, defender, parenting on a specialist. I am an Asian Games gold medalist 2014. I have been playing for the country from 2003. I have played 194 matches and scored 140 goals. I feel proud to be a part of Indian Oil family.
Indian Oil has been nurturing sports talent in the country for over 3 decades now, grooming world champions in diverse sports, ranging from cricket, hockey, badminton, tennis, table tennis, snooker, chess, carom and golf.
मेरे पास जो टाइटल्स आए हैं उन टाइटल्स में 2 वर्ल्ड कप है, 1 वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप है, 5 सार चैम्पियनशिप है, 4 नेशनल्स है और काफ़ी सारे इंटरनेशनल टूर्नामेंट्स ऐसी है कि जहां मुझे हमेशा सफलता मिली है। इसका पूरा क्रेडिट मैं इंडियन ऑयल को देना चाहता हूं। कैरम को उस तरह से देखा नहीं जाता जिस तरह से बाकी लोग क्रिकेट्स और अदर्स गेम्स को देखते हैं, लेकिन इंडियन ऑयल सभी डिसिप्लिन को एक ही नज़र से देखता है। इंडियन ऑयल की 4 वैल्यूएशन है, उसमें एक ट्रस्ट, केयर, पैशन और इनोवेशन है। ये प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए जो पूरा समय दिया जाता है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन से ही मिलता है।
Indian Oil has the proud distinction of having 13 Arjuna awardees amongst its glittering squad of sports stars. Indian Oil's very own P. Gopichand has not only been conferred with the Arjuna Award but other prestigious awards as well, including the Khel Ratna, Padma Shri, Dronacharya Award and Padma Bhushan.
I joined Indian Oil almost about 20 years ago. It was a time when sport in India, especially badminton, also was in the beginning stages. Today the sport has grown and also the kind of players we have in Indian Oil have grown. Players like Srikanth, who is world number 3 at the moment, players like Kashyap, who is a Commonwealth gold medalist, Ajay Jairam, Arun Vishnu, all of these top players being from Indian Oil is a very proud moment for me. And also the fact is that even former greats like Dinesh Khanna, who has been an Asian champion, Aparna Popat, Manjusha Kanwar, and players like Dipankar Bhattacharya, Marcos Bristow, Jasil Ismail have been phenomenal Indian Oil talents. I think Indian Oil has contributed a lot for badminton in the country. Today, more than ever, I think the youth has the confidence and the willingness to do well on the big stage. It's always been a pleasure for me being with Indian Oil, and for all of you who are joining the Indian Oil family, I think great times ahead for all of us.
Indian Oil adopted its sports promotion policy way back in 1985. The corporation since then has recruited many promising sportspersons who have gone on to reach the zenith in their chosen disciplines.
I'm Indian badminton men's singles player. I'm currently ranked world number 3, and I'm associated with Indian Oil since 4 years. And I play only to win. Even if I lose, I want to come back strong and win the next match I play. Behind our wins, there is a lot of rigorous hard work throughout our career. Till few years ago, it was difficult to live by just pursuing sports. But with the corporates like Indian Oil, giving jobs to sports persons, I think the whole idea of being into sports has changed.
Sports stars bring with them a drive to practice relentlessly, humility to learn from failures, and a passion to excel even in the most adverse and trying circumstances.
I think Indian Oil is equipped to see the bigger vision that goes into making a company thrive. Like me, my company also knows how to put the strategy into action.
I am a 4-time mixed doubles national champion. My recent win at Sri Lankan Open has been a morale booster for both me and my partner Aparna Balan, who is also an Indian Oil employee. As an IOCN, I know that it is the excellent synergy and team effort of IOCNs across the country which makes it the energy of India.
This young man from Mumbai has medaled just about everything, like he did that shot.
The thing which I liked about Indian Oil is they care about their sporting people, their employees, When I started my career, Indian Oil picked me when I was 19 or 20, and they gave me an opportunity to represent their team, and I felt that confidence which Indian Oil players, Indian Oil management gave me, that actually helped in my career.
Been brilliant. Head slip.
Indian Oil actually is known for giving opportunity for each and every young people, whether it's a sports person or an employee. That opportunity and that caring aspect which is really connected with me.
Real good innings.
I believe in order to excel, we need to go for excellence as well as perfection. Striving for perfection is an obsession. Striving for excellence is progress. This thought connects with me and my organization, Indian Oil. It's a great organization and I feel proud to be associated with it.
One of the greatest talents is to recognize and develop talent in others. Indian Oil has harnessed the true spirit of sportsmanship by promoting and nurturing talents who have grown to become the pride of India and Indian Oil.